bit. And so there is going to
Hello
be the
guys and girls out
possibility
there,
of
this is
yeah,
God is
a lot
Great,
of earthquakes and also
and
the
we've been
tsunamis.
having many
Yes,
earthquakes
that, you know, the magnitude of
around
7
Japan all day today,
ensued by the aftershocks
and
subsided.
been a lot of
However,
damage
but as I
actually,
have mentioned, it is
especially around like where the nuclear power plants are and stuff, and we've had tsunamis.
in the surrounding
First
area.
it was only
So there
hitting
is a
one area,
possibility that
and it
yet
hit up into
another
my
bigger
area.
earthquake hit this
My
area
house shook a
in the
lot,
near future.
and outside where the sewage line is, or one of those, I don't know, a sewage line or something, totally raised up. But a lot of people's houses are destroyed, damaged, and all the TV shows have been totally canceled. Trains, everything are gone, finished. This is in that area. It's been like one of the worst, magnitude 7.6 until almost magnitude 8. And say about every 5 minutes, another earthquake, another earthquake, another earthquake. And a lot of houses burned, totally fell over. The roads are all cracked. So it's been pretty big. And it's right there, Yamagata, that's where I'm living. Also around the university where I work, everything seems like a lot of damage. Tsunami. I'm not sure if
the police agency has set up a disaster security unit. This will now be elevated to a designated disaster security unit. As of 6 p.m., they have not been able to ascertain any casualties in Fukui and
they don't know how many people are injured, how many people have died or anything.
Helicopters have been deployed to confirm the extent of the damage. Ishikawa has set up a task force.
Big pieces of boulder rocks you see right there.
For a disaster
big fires.
Relief.
So from the mountain, a big boulder flew across.
Can assist.
If you look right there, I'm up in the north part where the red to the yellow is. That's where I'm living.
We will also go to
pink is the most dangerous.
Broadcast Center, which earlier observed an earthquake
first
registering
epicenter
level 5
was at
in
Niigata and then Ishikawa.
The highest seismic intensity level registered was 5. At past 4 p.m., there was an earthquake in Ishikawa Prefecture, Noto area. The meteorological agency issued a major tsunami alert.
If you see right
the
there,
initial tsunami has already arrived.
magnitude 7.6. Japan uses both magnitude, but also
is 5 meters.
they say Shindo. Shindo is a lower number, but it's actually high. So if it's a Shindo 5, it's anywhere from magnitude 7 to magnitude 8.
A seismic intensity level of upper 6. Fires have been happening in Wajima City. The fire department has now been deployed. According to a staff at the Wajima hospital,
you know, my friend's house is totally destroyed.
Multiple people have been brought to the hospital due to broken bones or injuries to their heads. There is currently no power. The hospital is running on a self-power generator.
There's no power in all
the parking lot of the hospital, they are treating emergency patients. There's more information about a fire in the central part of Wajima, which observed an earthquake of upper 6 on the seismic intensity scale. There has been a fire. The fire's occurring in residential areas. The fire department is confirming whether there have been any casualties. Please stay in a safe area. And now going to Suzu City. Police at Suzu say that as of 5:30 p.m., several buildings have collapsed and the roads are undulating. They have been called to assist. The Suzu General Hospital doctor told us that they have had multiple patients who have been injured in the earthquake. They are treating them. Some doctors are unable to
how many
come to the
people are dead
hospital
either,
due to bad road
because all the
conditions.
houses
They do
fell
not have
over
enough
and
staff.
the whole town burned.
The hospital is running on emergency power as the regular power has stopped. In Nanao, the police say that as of 5:50 p.m., there have been several calls to the police about landslides and collapsed buildings. There were some people who were trapped in collapsed houses, but they have been rescued. As of now, there is no information of any casualties or injuries. In Ishikawa, there is a power outage. Hokuriku Power Company says that as of 6:20 p.m. in Ishikawa Prefecture, 31,100 homes are without power. 83,000 homes are without power in Wajima, 8,100 homes in Suzu, 6,000 homes in Noto,
Anyways, I hope you guys please
5,300
do
in
praying for the people that
Anamizumachi,
are,
and 2,300 homes in
injured,
Nanao City
died,
are
lost
currently
their
without
homes, and
power.
everything like that.
And transportation information on JR.
It's
Local
pretty bad.
lines in Ishikawa
And now
Prefecture
there's
has
earthquakes hitting
suspended
every
operations
area
due
of
to the
Japan.
earthquake. Hokuriku Shinkansen bullet
So,
train has also suspended
don't know.
operations across its
Alright, well, this
entire
God is
line.
great.
They do
I
not know
hope
when
everybody's
services
doing
can be
alright.
resumed. As for
And
road transportation
please, like I
in
said, give prayers.
according to Ishikawa Prefecture officials, Noto Satoyama
The
City Road
that's a freeway.
has observed several areas of damage to the road. The road transportation has been suspended.
Alright, well, this God is great. Just want to let everybody know what's going on.
Governors from the
Happy
affected
New Year.
prefectures arrived at the Prime Minister's office.
All across Japan, every area had
Governor Hase said
problems because
he
of the
was on his
earthquake.
way back home, but decided to come to the
Alright,
Prime
this God is great.
Minister's office after
Gabas,
contacting
I'm out.
Prime Minister Kishi.